Good morning, everyone. My name is Nisdurjilla, and I am pleased to present my evolution of Zapier's knowledge management system. Today, I will walk you through the key challenges Zapier faces in managing knowledge across its remote workflows, along with recommendations for enhancing collaboration, knowledge sharing, and data security. Zapier is a leading automation platform that connects different applications, allowing users to automate workflows and improve efficiency given its fully remote setup. Zapier's knowledge management system is essential for facilitating knowledge sharing among employees, spread across different locations and time zones. This knowledge management system enables Zapier to manage workflow, maintain productivity, and foster a culture of knowledge sharing that align with the company's mission to make automation accessible to businesses of all sizes. Today, we will explore Zapier's knowledge management system, its current state, and its specific recommendations for optimizing knowledge sharing within the organization. Zapier faces unique knowledge management challenges due to its remote model, which impacts both tactic and explicit knowledge sharing. Tactic knowledge challenges. Employees often work in isolated environments, making it difficult to share personal insight and experience naturally. This lack of informal information sharing creates silos where valuable knowledge such as best practices for interrogation and workflow optimization may go unshared. Explicit knowledge management. Zapier currently utilizing tools like Slack and internal wiki to store organize explicit knowledge. However, as the company scales, keeping uh, documentation up to date and accessible become challenging. Legal and ethical concerns. The remote structure adds complexity to uh, data security, ownership, and privacy, especially around intellectual property rights for workflows and solution created by employees. Addressing these issues is vital. Maintaining productivity, consist processes, and innovation across Zapier's disparate workflows. Zapier's approach to managing tactic and explicit knowledge involves both informal and formal strategies. Tactic knowledge. The company encourages informal exchanges through team meeting and Slack channels, which foster a collaborative environment. However, these channels may not capture the full range of employee insights, especially as the organization grows. To address this, Zapier could introduce structured mentorship or regular knowledge sharing sessions, allowing employees to exchange valuable insights on automation and integration. Explicit knowledge, Zapier relies on an internal wiki document is standardized procedures and guides. While the system works, it would benefit from a review process to keep documentation current and accessible and more user friendly as organization involves. Uh, Using the BTOPP framework benefits to organization, people, process, we can evaluate Zapier's knowledge management system, structure benefits. Zapier knowledge management system enhances productivity by providing quick access to essential knowledge and reducing time is spent on uh, repetitive tasks. Next up, tools. The internal wiki and Slack support knowledge storage and sharing, but could be better organized and maintained to prevent knowledge gaps. Organization. Zapier has made knowledge management system resources accessible for its remote employees, but it could add more insensitive to encourage active participation in knowledge sharing. People. Employee engagement is crucial to knowledge management system, and Zapier could further support it by implementing a structured mentorship program and collecting routine feedback on uh, process usability process. While most processes are well documented, introducing system for regular updates and review would help Zapier's knowledge management system remain aligned with employees' needs. Uh, Applying the big knowledge management cycle build, hold, pool, and use can optimize Zapier's knowledge management system. uh, Build knowledge, peer learning through cross departmental meetings and structured mentoring, and can enhance tactic knowledge sharing, allowing employees to learn from each other's experiences. Hold knowledge to improve knowledge organizations. Zapier could create more structured internal wiki features like tagging and filtering to facilitate faster knowledge retrieval. Next up, pool knowledge. Recognition programs such as knowledge management, public acknowledgement of financial insensitive incentives could encourage knowledge sharing, motivation employees to contribute insights that benefit the entire company. Use knowledge, establishing feedback loops to access the impact of shared knowledge on project outcomes would allow Zapier to refine its knowledge management system based on employee needs and feedback, creating a cycle continuous improvement. Here are the three key recommendations to strengthen Zapier's knowledge management system. Data security. The implementation is strong data uh, encryption and secure communication channels to protect proprietary information, especially as it's shared across remote locations. Using multi-factor authentication will further protect sensitive data and enhance privacy. Knowledge ownership policy. Establish clear policies and defining ownership of knowledge created during employment to clarify rights and responsibilities, which will protect both Zapier and its employees and prevent conflicts regarding intellectual property. Uh, routine routine privacy audits. Conduct regular privacy audits to ensure compliance with data protection laws such as GDPR, safeguarding both employee and customer data while maintaining trust in Sapier's knowledge management system. To access the effectiveness of Sapier's knowledge management system, data analytics can provide valuable insights. Tracking usage metrics for tools like Slack and internal wiki, mentorship programs, program completion rates, and employee feedback will give us a clear picture of knowledge management system engagement and knowledge share impact. Usage metrics can identify underused resources, while outcome metrics such as faster project completion and fewer errors will highlight the knowledge management system's practical benefits. This data-driven approach can help Zapier make informed decisions on improving its knowledge management system. In conclusion, Zapier's knowledge management system plays a vital role in supporting its remote workforce and maintaining efficient workflows, however, enhancing the system's structure through mentorship, data security measures, regular uh, regular documentation updates will unlock greater value from both tactics and expertise knowledge. These recommendation aims to foster a more collaborative, secure, and efficient knowledge sharing culture, enabling Zapier to driven in innovation and productivity by strengthening its knowledge management system. Zapier can continue to support its mission of making automation accessible for businesses worldwide. That's it for my presentation. Thank you for listening.